The future is here. Get ready for flying cars, thinking robots, and much more. Discover the 5 technologies that will redefine the world in 2024. Today, we will explore the 5 most innovative technologies of 2024, which will transform the way we live, work, and play. Autonomous vehicles. The future of mobility? What are they? Autonomous vehicles, also known as self-driving cars, represent a fascinating evolution in the automotive industry. They are vehicles capable of operating without the need for a human driver, using advanced sensor systems, software, and artificial intelligence to navigate the streets, avoid obstacles, and make traffic decisions autonomously. Let's talk a little about the levels of autonomy. The Society of Automotive Engineers, SAE, defines 6 levels of autonomy for vehicles, from level 0, with no automation, to level 5 with full automation. Currently, most vehicles in development are at levels 2 and 3, with some testing underway for level 4. How do they work? These vehicles use a variety of sensors, such as radars, LiDAR, cameras, and GPS, to perceive the environment around them. The collected data is processed by sophisticated software, which creates a real-time model of the world around the vehicle. Artificial intelligence is then employed to make traffic decisions and control the vehicle safely and efficiently. Autonomous vehicles offer a range of potential benefits, including a significant reduction in traffic accidents, greater traffic flow efficiency, increased accessibility for people with reduced mobility, and a more convenient and productive travel experience for passengers. Despite all the promises, there are still challenges to be overcome, such as the ongoing development of technology to ensure its safety and reliability, the creation of specific laws and regulations for the use of autonomous vehicles, and the need for public acceptance of this new form of transportation. Despite the challenges, the future of autonomous vehicles looks promising. They are expected to revolutionize urban mobility and bring significant benefits to society as a whole. Autonomous vehicles represent not only a change in how we travel, but also an opportunity to create a safer, more efficient, and accessible future for all. Internet of Things. IoT, connecting the world. What is it? The Internet of Things is an interconnected network of physical objects, enriched with sensors, software, and internet connectivity. These objects, from smart home appliances to industrial machinery and connected vehicles, have the ability to collect and exchange data among themselves and with other systems via the internet. The applications of the Internet of Things are diverse and span a wide range of sectors. In smart homes, IoT enables home automation, temperature and lighting control, and advanced security systems. In smart cities, the Internet of Things is essential for traffic monitoring, energy management, and efficient waste collection. In healthcare, it enables remote patient monitoring, remote diagnostics, and assisted surgeries. In industry, the Internet of Things optimizes processes, enables predictive maintenance, and promotes industrial safety. The Internet of Things offers a range of benefits, including process optimization, resource savings, convenience through remote device control, and task automation, as well as providing greater security with environment monitoring and risk protection. In addition, data collection enables valuable insights for smarter decision-making. Despite the benefits, the Internet of Things faces significant challenges, such as data security and privacy issues, lack of standardization among devices and platforms, interoperability difficulties between products from different manufacturers, and the need for a robust and reliable network infrastructure. The Internet of Things is constantly growing and promises to further revolutionize various sectors in the coming years. The expectation is that the number of devices connected to the Internet will continue to grow exponentially, driving innovation and transforming the way we interact with the world around us. Check out some of the companies using the Internet of Things. Major companies like Amazon, Google, Apple, and Samsung are at the forefront of IoT adoption, offering a wide range of devices and platforms that are shaping the connected future. augmented and virtual reality AR and VR. A new frontier of experiences. What are they? Augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR represent an exciting foray into alternative universes. In AR, virtual elements are overlaid onto the real world, providing innovative interactions, such as seeing information about a product while holding it in our hands. VR, on the other hand, transports us to fully virtual and immersive environments, where we can explore distant planets or participate in events as if we were there in person. AR is accessed through devices like smartphones, tablets, smart glasses, and headsets, while VR uses dedicated goggles and headsets, as well as motion tracking systems, immersing us in entirely new experiences. The possibilities are vast. In education, AR/VR offers interactive and immersive learning experiences. In entertainment, it opens the doors to virtual games, movies, and shows. In training, it enables realistic simulations for professionals and doctors. In medicine, it assists in VR-assisted surgeries and rehabilitation therapies. And in retail, it provides virtual fitting rooms and 3D product visualization for more engaging online shopping. AR/VR promotes greater engagement, interactivity, and accessibility. Experiences become more memorable and engaging, facilitating access to information and processes more efficiently. Despite the benefits, we still face challenges such as the cost of some hardware, the need for technological improvement to offer more realistic and comfortable experiences, and motion sickness that some people may experience when using VR devices. AR/VR is constantly evolving, with the promise of becoming even more accessible, realistic, and versatile in the years to come. This technology continues to revolutionize various sectors, opening doors to a world of unprecedented possibilities. 3D printing. The future of manufacturing? What is it? 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is revolutionizing the way we produce three-dimensional objects. Unlike traditional methods that remove material, 3D printing adds it layer by layer, building complex objects with precision and flexibility. This technology uses various materials, such as plastics, metals, resins, and even biological materials, opening up a range of possibilities for various sectors. In industry, 3D printing enables the rapid and economical creation of prototypes, driving innovation and product optimization. In medicine, it enables the production of customized prosthetics and implants, transforming patients' lives. In education, it makes learning more interactive and visual, sparking students' creativity. And in the field of art and design, it allows the creation of objects with unique shapes and textures, pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. The advantages of 3D printing are numerous. It offers flexibility to create complex geometries, allows customization of parts to meet the specific needs of each client, and makes production processes more efficient, reducing material and time waste. Furthermore, the technology is becoming increasingly accessible, opening doors for companies, educational institutions, and even for household use. However, there are still some challenges to overcome. The initial cost of 3D printers and materials can be high for some. Printing accuracy can vary depending on the technology used, and protecting the intellectual property of 3D designs is an important issue to consider. Despite the challenges, the future of 3D printing is promising. With continuous advances in technology, materials, and applications, it is expected that 3D printing will become even more accessible, precise, and versatile in the coming years. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we manufacture products and drive innovation in various sectors, from medicine and industry to education and art. Leading companies such as Stratasys, 3D Systems, and Materialize are at the forefront of this revolution, exploring new frontiers and pushing the limits of what is possible with 3D printing. The future of manufacturing is increasingly connected to this innovative technology, which opens up a world of possibilities for the creation of personalized, complex, and efficient objects. Quantum computing. Exploring the universe of possibilities. What is it? Quantum computing represents a new paradigm in the field of computing, based on the principles of quantum mechanics. Unlike traditional computers, quantum computers can handle complex problems in a way that was previously unthinkable. Quantum computers use qubits, or quantum bits, to store and process information. While traditional bits can only have values of 0 or 1, qubits can be in a state of superposition, able to represent both 0 and 1 simultaneously. This property allows quantum computers to perform calculations exponentially faster, leveraging parallel processing capabilities. The applications of quantum computing are vast and promising. They include the development of new drugs and materials, the creation of more advanced artificial intelligence, the breaking of complex cryptography, and the optimization of processes in sectors such as finance, logistics, and manufacturing. The benefits of quantum computing are significant. In addition to its impressive speed, which can be thousands of times faster than that of traditional computers in certain problems, quantum computers can also be more energy efficient and offer solutions to problems that were previously considered unsolvable. However, there are challenges to be overcome. Quantum computing technology is still in the development phase and needs to be improved for widespread use. In addition, the costs associated with quantum computers are high, and they are more error-prone than traditional computers. Despite the challenges, quantum computing represents a promising research field, with the potential to revolutionize various sectors in the coming years. Companies such as IBM, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are investing in research and development in this area, seeking to make quantum computers more powerful, accessible, and reliable. Today, we delved into the universe of revolutionary technologies that are shaping our tomorrow. We explored the 5 most promising research fields of 2024: autonomous vehicles, Internet of Things, augmented and virtual reality, 3D printing, and quantum computing. The future is here, and it's exciting. If you're as excited as we are about the possibilities these technologies bring, be sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up with more content like this. Leave your like and comment below, sharing which technology you believe will have the greatest impact on our lives. Together, let's continue to explore and unveil the incredible world of technological innovation. Until the next video.